This 2024 KZ Connect SE312BHK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new KZ is 36 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 9, auxiliary battery, slide-out, LP detector, leveling jacks, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, smoke detector, DVD player, oven, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 KZ Connect SE312BHK is 7,350 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.